I've messed up. I got pressure washer happy, and now I think I've done something that I don't think I can undo. I was gonna just pressure wash the front of my house and so I could paint it. Well, we have this door that I really hated the color on anyway, and the paint's peeling off of it. So I was like, okay, I'll just pressure wash it, and maybe it'll look better. It doesn't look better. I don't know if y'all are ready for it. Help me. So I'm guessing I have 3 options, because not only did the paint come off of the pressure washer, it indented the door in. So please, anybody with some experience with this kind of disaster, do I sand it until my fingers bleed? Do I replace the door, or do I just pretend like it didn't happen and start on a new project?